Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the most captivating ideas and books from around the world. Today we'll be diving into Mark Rippetoe's influential book, Starting Strength. This comprehensive guide to strength training has transformed the way countless people approach barbell exercises. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced lifter, this video is for you. Let's jump right in. Starting Strength is centered around a simple yet effective method for building muscle and gaining strength. Rippetoe's approach focuses on compound barbell exercises, which target multiple muscle groups and allow you to lift heavier weights. This method is based on linear progression, meaning that you'll consistently add weight to your lifts, resulting in steady progress over time. Rippetoe's program revolves around 4 fundamental barbell exercises: the squat, the deadlift, the bench press, and the overhead press. These exercises form the backbone of any effective strength training routine. The squat is often considered the king of all exercises. It primarily targets your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, while also engaging your core and lower back. Rippetoe breaks down the proper form for the squat, emphasizing key points such as hip drive, bar placement, and stance. The deadlift is another powerhouse exercise that targets your entire posterior chain, including your hamstrings, glutes, and back muscles. Rippetoe explains how to perform the deadlift with correct form, focusing on elements like grip, hip hinge, and engaging your lats. The bench press is a classic upper body exercise that primarily targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Rippetoe covers the fundamentals of bench press form, including grip width, elbow positioning, and scapular retraction. The overhead press is an essential compound movement for developing shoulder strength and stability. Rippetoe discusses proper form for the overhead press, emphasizing details such as grip width, wrist positioning, and head movement. Starting Strength also provides guidance on how to structure your workouts and make consistent progress. Rippetoe recommends a simple 3-day per week program with workouts alternating between 2 main templates. Each workout includes one of the 4 main lifts, followed by accessory exercises to support your overall strength and muscle development. Lastly, Rippetoe stresses the importance of proper nutrition and recovery to support your strength training efforts. He suggests consuming a balanced diet with sufficient protein, carbohydrates, and fats, as well as getting adequate sleep to ensure optimal recovery and progress. That's a quick overview of Mark Rippetoe's Starting Strength. By following the principles laid out in this book, you'll be well on your way to building muscle, gaining strength, and improving your overall physical performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. If you have any thoughts or experiences related to the Starting Strength method, we'd love to hear from you. Join the conversation in the comments below and let us know what you think. Thank you so much for joining us today, and as always, keep learning, stay curious, and until next time, happy reading.